Hello everyone, this is Sudhir and welcome back to my class. In the previous class, you have learned how to draw the parabola. So using one model I have taken like x square minus x minus 6. So just if you observe here, this x square coefficient is positive. That means 1x square. It is a positive. So when we compare this one with the general form like ax square plus bx plus c, here a is, we got 1, that means a is the positive. So greater than 0. When we have a greater than 0, then we will get the parabola, that is upward parabola. That's what we got in the previous class. Now but you observe in this graph, this is 6 minus x square. Here x square coefficient is negative 1. Okay, that means it is less than 0. When a is less than 0, you will get downward parabola like this. So how we get these points and where it is intersecting, what is its zeros, so everything we will discuss now. So now I am going to take first of all the point what I am going to take here on x, that is like it is 1 or 0, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3 and 4 minus 4. So these points I am going to check by substituting. So I am going to find the value of a polynomial by over the first one here, that is p of x equal to 6 minus x square. So from this, if I substitute in this 0, then what can I find? That is p of 0 equal to 6 minus 0 square. So finally this is 6. Okay, so the point we get here, it is a 6. Now the point here 0, 6. Now I'm going to substitute 1, then p of 1 equal to, we get 6 minus 1 square. This is 6 minus 1 square is 1. So 6, take minus 1, this is minus 2, then 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So by taking 1 we get 4 here, so 1 comma 4. Now I'm going to take minus 1, p of minus 1, that is 6 into minus 1, because here x is minus x, so that minus of minus 1 minus 1 square. Okay, that means this is 6 minus of minus, we get plus 1 minus 1 square is 1. Now here we have the two positive values, 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, minus 1, that equal to 6 we get. So at minus 1 we are getting, this is 6. Okay, so minus 1 comma 6 is a point here. So the next one is, this time I am going to take, that is 2. So actually the polynomial 6 minus x square, this is p of x, right? So if I take 2 here, then p of 2 equal to 6 minus 2 square. Then 6 minus 2 square is 4. So finally this is 6 minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So at 2 we get 0 here. So 2 comma 0 is another point. Next minus 2 I am going to take from this. So p of minus 2 equal to 6 minus of minus 2 square. So this is 6 minus of minus plus 2 minus this 2 square is plus 4. Then add the both positive, 8 minus 4. Now you can subtract 8 minus 4 is 4. So at minus 2 we get 4 here. This is minus 2 comma 4. So next, what should we take? That is 3. Okay, so 6 minus x, that means 3, minus x square, that means 3 square. So 6 minus 3 square is 9. 3 3s are 9. 6 minus 3 minus 9, this is minus 12. So 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Then what we get the point here? So by taking 3 we got minus 6. So 3 comma minus 6 is a point here. Then next point is minus 3. That minus 3 we are going to substitute. So that's 6 minus of x. X is minus 3 minus x square, that means minus 3 square. So this is 6 minus of minus plus 3 minus this minus 3 square is that minus 3 into minus 3 we get it, minus into minus plus 3 into 3 9 plus 9. Okay, so 6 plus 3 is 9. Both positive numbers I am adding. Minus 9. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. So by taking minus 3 we are getting here 0. So minus 3 comma 0 is one more point here. Okay, now the next one we will take 4. That is positive 4. So 6 minus actual polynomial 6 minus x square, right? So here I'm going to take now 6 minus, in place of x is 4, minus 4 square. So 6 minus 4 square is 16. So add the both negative values now, that is 6 minus 4 minus 16 minus 20. Now you can subtract, because 1 plus and 1 minus is there, we should subtract it. By subtracting we get here minus 14. So here minus 14 is a point, that is 4 comma minus 14. Okay, so here we have one more, that is minus 4. I think so it is not necessary to take minus 4, because here already we have discussed on x-axis when we are taking like here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and here like 1, 2, 3, 4, you can check here. So point already we got the zeros at the two different points, that is here 2 comma 0 and here minus 3 comma 0. 2 comma 0 is a point here, minus 3 comma 0 is a point is here. That means the parabola should intersect like this. So after complete this point, when they crossed at 2 or minus 3, you can take one more, that means plus 3. Yes, plus 3 we have taken already here. Okay, plus 3 already we have taken, and minus 2, yeah, minus 3 after we have minus 4. Okay, so that now we should take minus 4 also. Okay, I hope you understood what for I have taken this one, because it's crossing from minus 3, so that I want there minus 4 also. Okay, so now I'm going to take in 6 minus x square. 6 minus x is minus 4 now, minus of minus 4 square. So 6 minus of minus plus 4 minus 4 square is 16. So this is 6 plus 4, 10 minus 16, that equal to minus 6, because both positive we have added here. So 10 minus 16 equal to minus 6. So we take here minus 6. So minus 4 minus 6 is the point. Now these all points we should plot on the graph. Now we should draw the graph based on these points. Okay, so here you can observe, now I'm going to take the lines x-axis and y-axis. So the x-axis is, yes, okay, and the y-axis here like this. Now the points I'm going to take on this, it's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we take like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, so this side we take like positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6. So don't forget, this is x-axis and here it is x dash, that means it's x-axis, and here it is negative x-axis, this is positive y-axis, and here it is negative y-axis. Okay, it's a negative y-axis. So the points what we take here, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and this is minus 6. So we should plot these points on the graph now. Now we should plot this point. The first point 0, 6 on x-axis 0, y-axis 6 is the point we get on y-axis. This is 0, 6. And the next one is 1, 4 on x-axis 1, y-axis 4. The both are intersected at this point. This is 1, 4. The next minus 1, 6 on x-axis minus 1, y-axis plus 6 is the point is here, minus 1, 6. Next 2, 0 is the point on x-axis 2, y-axis 0. Yeah, we take here. It's a 2, 0. Next minus 2, 4 on x-axis minus 2, y-axis 4. This is the point, minus 2, 4. And 3, 6 on x-axis 3, y-axis minus 6. Yes, we can find out here. This is 3, minus 6. Okay, and next point minus 3, 0. Here it is minus 3, 0. The next one 4, minus 14. So 4 minus 14 is negligible because already the parabola is going to cross at minus 3 and plus 2 on x-axis. So it should be negligible. Next you take minus 4, minus 6 on x-axis minus 4 and y-axis minus 6. The point is here, it's a minus 4, minus 6. Okay, so now these all points we should draw with a smooth curve. So don't forget, don't use the graph, just you can draw this all using a smooth curve. Okay, so I'm going to join these all the points. So first I have started with minus 4, minus 6 and you can observe how I'm drawing this. Like this. Okay, so it's a downward parabola. So after complete this one, what we do, don't forget to write the scale. So what is the scale for this? What we took on x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, so this is the scale. Now what the steps we should write here about the graph? That is, from the graph we observe that the parabola intersect x-axis at minus 3, 0 and 2, 0. Therefore, the zeros of the polynomial minus 3 and 2. Now the last part of the graph, that is verification. So compulsory we should verify. So the given one, 6 minus x square. Okay, so we should multiply these two. that means here x square mean it is 1 into x square. So 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 6. This minus 6 factors we write now, that is 1 6 and 2 3s. So plus into minus is minus, so that in this one number is positive and one number is negative. So which two numbers we should select now, that depend on, so just to take the two numbers like p and q, so like p plus q and p into q. So what is p and q here, that the two numbers what we should select. So p plus q mean by adding we should get the middle one, that is minus 1, and by multiplying the two numbers we should get this minus 6. Okay, so minus 1 and minus 6. So what is p and q we should select now, which is the suitable number for this. So I think so 2 and minus 3, right? Because we take 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Similarly, 2, the q value, if you take like 3 minus 3, so 2 into 2 minus 3, that equal, we get it minus 1. So 2 and minus 3 are the suitable numbers for this. So that now I'm going to take 6 minus this x, I'm going to split like minus 3x plus 2x minus x square. So how to take the common? So this 3 we write again 3, this 6 we write again 3 into 2 minus 3 into x plus 2 into x minus this x square, we can write like x into x. So take the common from this 3 and from this one x. Okay, so if you take common here, then what you can find, by taking 3 is common, you get here 2, this minus x. Okay, so 2 minus x, and from plus 2, here plus 2 is the common, sorry, plus x is the common, then we get this 2 minus this x. Okay, so finally here we have 2 minus x is the common, so take that 2 minus x, then you can take from here, that means from here 3 and here x, so 3 plus x. Okay, so to get 0 of a polynomial, what we do is, we take 2 minus x equal to 0, then transpose this minus x here, you get 2 equal to x, that means x is equal to 2. Similarly, 3 plus x equal to 0, this 3 plus x I have taken, so send plus 3 this time here, that means x is equal to 0 minus 3, that means x is equal to minus 3, right? So the answers, that minus 3 and plus 2. So minus 3 and plus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Once we check what we got in the graph, yes, here they intersected at minus 3 and at plus 2. Okay, so this is the model, children. So I hope you understood very well how to draw the graph when a value is the negative, that means a less than 0, then you will get a downward parabola. If a is positive, then you will get upward parabola. So I hope you understood very well this concept. So this is Sudhir. Thanks for watching. See you soon.